Hey, welcome back to the React Native newsletter. My name is Jon Major, and this is issue 156. I have a blue light in the background. I just got done watching the Obi-Wan series. I was going to do red for Infinite Red, but it just kind of gave off some Sith vibes. And so, yeah, I have blue in the background. Just kind of change it up a little bit. I'm thinking I'm going to keep the light in the background in more videos to come, but maybe different colors. I have no idea. So anyways, I have for you all some highlights. The first highlight for this video is Shopify's Flashlist. So Flashlist is a new and improved version of Flatlist. It's faster, and you should see performance gains out of the gate. There is additional props too, where you can use to like make it more optimized for your needs to make it more performant. But I can't speak from experience because I haven't used it myself, but that's just what it should be. Should be better. And I would honestly highly recommend checking out Flashlist over using the native flat list or section list, just given the fact that you are supposed to have pretty big performance gains, be that on, your most obvious high-end devices, but even your low-end devices. So might as well check it out. And if you do check it out, please leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like it so far, because I'd be curious. So that'd be awesome. The next highlight is a package called Zephyr. We're looking at Caddy's tweet here. This is a React Native styling library by Grant Sander from Formidable Labs. Also, thank you, Grant, for this library. This looks great. It's a similar approach to Tailwind CSS, but for React Native. So we have a set of styling utilities, extendable theming system, type safety, which is great because back in the JavaScript days using Tailwind CSS, personally, I found myself more in the docs where it was less helpful because I was just, again, more in the docs than the code. But here you can see, like in this photo, we have the ability to see as we are typing what we have available through type safety and VS Code IntelliSense. So if you're looking for a Tailwind CSS replacement for React Native, I think you just found it. This last highlight, I think you're going to find very useful. It's called Reassure. It's a testing library, but for performance. So you can reassure that your application is running performant, as you make code changes over time. So being on a mobile device and where you have all types of different devices, low end, high end, having something like this is very indispensable, where you can make sure over time your application is performant. So you can see by looking at GitHub and the README, we have this analyzing results section with a report. We get significant and meaningless changes to render durations, changes to render count, added scenarios, and removed scenarios. I kind of understand what's going on there, but it does seem like the added scenarios are basically a culmination of what test statements you have there for your components. The removed scenarios, I'm not too sure what's going on there, to be honest, but again, this seems very indispensable as a tool to use within your application, as many developers are working hard to build out features. Why not make sure that you're not regressing in performance too? Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, found useful information in it, as well as useful information in the full React Native newsletter. Catch y'all in the next video. Until then, Major out. Peace.